If you're a fan of South Indian cooking, you're probably familiar with curry leaves. These aromatic leaves do exactly what you think: add flavor and depth to a curry, soup, or other dishes. Like many natural plant-derived herbs and leaves, curry leaves have been found to contain a whole host of healthy ingredients that, when consumed, can benefit us humans immensely. Stay tuned to learn the most impressive uses and health benefits of curry leaves. 1. High fiber content. Being an excellent source of fiber, one of the biggest health benefits of curry leaves is their ability to support and improve digestive health. Fiber in curry leaves helps the body to regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and equally warding off diarrhea. If you often suffer from nausea as a result of poor digestion, curry leaves help to prevent this too. A happy gut makes for a happy body, so it's wise to make the most of curry leaves and other plant-based digestive supporters to improve your overall health and well-being. 2. Rich source of proteins. We've been taught a very black and white approach to proteins, with many of us believing that you can only get protein from meat, fish, and dairy. This isn't actually true. Many plant-derived foods contain a higher protein content per gram than meat. Curry leaves have a particularly high protein concentration, and adding them to your daily diet will help you benefit from the proper growth and repair of cells, especially in children. 3. High calcium content. Again, you probably think that calcium can only be found in milk, cheese, and yogurt, but you'd be surprised at just how many foods you can actually find it in. Curry leaves are a fantastic source of calcium and can contribute to healthy bones and teeth. Getting enough calcium from curry leaves and other foods will ensure you can avoid the side effects of calcium deficiency. 4. Loaded with phosphorus. Phosphorus is a lesser-known mineral that deserves far more attention than it gets. We need phosphorus to support calcium in the healthy formation of teeth and bones. It's also needed by the body in conjunction with protein to support healthy growth and development. Curry leaves are rich in phosphorus, and along with nuts, legumes, and some meat and fish products can ensure your whole body can benefit from the mineral. 5. Abundant essential oils. Volatile oils can be found in many plant-based sources, including curry leaves. Boasting anti-inflammatory properties and also proving effective in encouraging hair growth, maintaining overall skin health, and possessing antibacterial powers, there are so many reasons to include these oils from curry leaves in your daily diet. 6. May treat diabetes. One of the most impressive benefits of curry leaves is their hypoglycemic properties, which can help to reduce blood sugar levels by stimulating the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. When insulin is produced, it can break down starch into glucose, resulting in a decrease in blood sugar levels. 7. Reduces anemia risk. You can find plenty of iron, which is important for making the blood cells that carry oxygen around the body, in curry leaves. When you don't get enough iron from your diet, you can end up with iron deficiency anemia, which can result in tiredness, pale skin, and shortness of breath. 8. Maintains good eye health. Curry leaves are rich in vitamin A, which helps to reduce the risk of age-related degeneration and vision loss. Because vitamin A also boosts the immune system, it'll prevent eye infections and inflammation. Beta-carotene, which is also found in curry leaves, helps to keep the surface of the eye healthy and moist, preventing clouding of the eyes or dryness. 9. Helps fight infection. One of the most well-known health benefits of curry leaves is their ability to fight infection. Because of their antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties, curry leaves help to support a healthy immune system, ensuring we're well protected from infections and common viruses like cold and flu. Curry leaves are rich in vitamin C, too, which also supports immune defense against harmful free radicals. 10. May support weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight, you're probably well aware that you can only achieve your weight loss goals by combining a healthy diet with an active lifestyle. While there are no quick-fix weight loss remedies, curry leaves are widely used by those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight after weight loss. Curry leaves contain compounds which, according to research, reduce LDL cholesterol levels and prevent heart disease, two problems that can be reduced with weight loss. 11. Encourages healthy digestion. To limit the effects of indigestion, try including more curry leaves recipes in your diet. One of the health benefits of curry leaves is that they can treat gastrointestinal issues thanks to their stomach-soothing properties. 12. Supports dental health. Way back when, our ancestors would use plant-based ingredients like curry leaves for the same purposes as we use dental hygiene products today. Curry leaves are a particularly popular natural remedy for the gums and teeth thanks to their oral health benefits. Research suggests that curry leaves contain essential oils that can support healthy teeth and gums, prevent bad breath, and remove bacteria and other pathogens responsible for infections. 13. Improves cognitive function. Another of the age-old benefits of curry leaves on this list is their ability to improve cognitive function. Curry leaves or curry leaf extract contain bioactive components that prevent certain brain chemicals from breaking down. This helps to ensure your memory remains enhanced even with age and may also support alertness, concentration, and calmness. Because curry leaf extract is a stimulator and tonic for the brain, it's suggested that those who have consumed curry leaves regularly from a young age have improved cognitive abilities, as well as better memory and improved problem-solving abilities. Some studies even suggest that curry leaves may play a role in reducing cognitive decline and conditions like dementia, although we need more evidence before we can say this for certain. 14. Fights respiratory problems. If you frequently suffer from chest congestion and issues with mucus, adding curry leaf dishes to your diet may help. Curry leaves have antibacterial properties that can help to prevent the occurrence of common respiratory problems and can also treat issues associated with cold and flu. Consumption of curry leaves may also help to clear mucus and free your airways. 15. Improves hair health. Curry leaves are packed full of properties that are said to be good for treating damaged hair and promoting hair growth. The protein and antioxidant content of curry leaves can help to neutralize free radicals, minimizing day-to-day damage. To best treat hair damage from home, you'll just need coconut oil or argan oil and curry leaves. After thoroughly washing the leaves, grind them to form a paste. Then add the paste to the coconut oil and apply it to your hair. Leave in your hair for 15 minutes. Finish by rinsing out the leaves and oil mix and washing your hair as usual. 16. Maintains healthy skin. Thanks to their antioxidant properties, curry leaves are ideal for using as a home remedy for skin and nail health. Simply grind curry leaves to make a paste to apply on your face when you want to treat acne and dark spots. Curry leaf paste can also be used to treat fungal nail and skin infections. The folic acid and vitamin C content of curry leaf powder may also support the development of healthy skin cells, encouraging collagen production and preventing wrinkles. 17. Pain reduction abilities. Curry leaves are often used to alleviate the symptoms of arthritis thanks to their anti-inflammatory benefits, which are good at relieving swelling and pain in the joints. Curry leaves may also be beneficial in encouraging faster muscle repair after workouts because of their high protein levels. Whether you're exercising to lose weight or build muscle, curry leaves are a good ingredient to add to your foods to reduce post-workout pain. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to use curry leaves for exceptional hair growth. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.